the best food I've ever eaten is that which I've pulled out of the water, picked from the earth, or been given to as a gift. Story of this fish, silver salmon, or also known as the coho salmon. You can find those all over the world, from Bering Sea in Alaska all the way down to Baja, California. You'll find them swimming around, and they're just everywhere, and their range is absolutely amazing. And the most amazing thing about these salmon is that they go back to the very spot where they were born, a very little stream and estuary, way up some Alaskan river, and they lay their eggs in the exact same spot that they were hatched. So these are the stories of grandeur that Leif Erikson. What was in my mind when I went up to my first Alaska trip up there to visit my relatives. And they lived just a couple miles, 5-minute drive from the mouth of the Swanson River that pours into the Pacific, or into some bay that then joins the Pacific. So I went up a couple months ago there and got a hold of my cousins. I'd been trying to texting with them for quite a while. I'm hearing tales about the silver salmon, and they're running. They're going to be running, and so we loaded up the boats on a trailer and headed to the Swanson River. And it's about a 2-day paddle back down to the ocean where we get picked up. And you just can see up ahead on the curve of the bend when the water gets a little deeper, you see the fins of the salmon just cresting. And you know it's going to be hot in there. And so you put some salmon eggs on your line, you cast it out there, and you see one of those bobbers go down, and you'll fish on, and you pull in your lines, and it's just a battle with a thick 12-pound salmon jumping up over the canoes, trying to get it in the net. And the most amazing part is joining this tradition that all the animals of the area and all the people of the area, throughout the existence of people and throughout the existence of all these animals, have partaken in the absolute feast and gift that these salmon give us. They spawn here, they go out to the ocean for a few years on a great epic hero's journey of their own, and they come back to the exact spot, and then they just live there until they die, eating other eggs. And all the animals feast and gorge on them, and they just give their bodies back to the stream. And getting to partake in that and sit around a fire with family that you haven't seen in years, and then to be able to bring that home as well, pack a cooler full and give to friends around, and just see the joy as you hand them this unique, rare gift of the silver salmon.